Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Remove the plastic cover. We have removed our cowl panel here so you can see what we're doing better, but you can snake out this variable valve timing solenoid with the cowl piece installed. However, this gives us a little better access and it's easier for you to see in the video what we're doing. To remove this connector, I'm going to spray a little bit of water displacement oil in here, help free it up. Let's get some dirt in it. Locks on this side will push it in. Sometimes you push the whole connector in this way, then open the lock, and then pull it off. Sometimes you gotta work it back and forth a couple times. Try not to pull on the wires if need be. You can use a little small flat bladed screwdriver to help you push the lock open. There it is. Spray some rust penetrant here. Use a 10mm socket and ratchet to remove the 10mm bolt that's holding it into the head. Put the bolt-in washer aside once I take it out. With the bolt removed, you can kind of spin this way, and then it's sitting on an O-ring. Just kind of have to work it out, back and forth. Come out. These are original variable valve timing solenoid we pulled from our vehicle, and our brand new one from 1AAuto.com. Same exact style design, same style connector, same mounting hole. This will work great and fit great for you. Install the new one. Slide it into the same opening. The O-ring will fit pretty tightly. Slide it down. Get the bolt started by hand. It's a steel bolt going into the aluminum valve cover. You don't want to cross thread it. You need to adjust the position of it. Just tighten it up. You don't want to over tighten it. If you get tight, just stop. Pull the electrical connector back in. It's keyed, it will only go on one way. It'll click when it locks in place. Put your plastic engine cover back on. These three rubber mounts, just push over these three ball studs. Line it up with the oil cap hole, and that's it.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.